So it's time for the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. From the latest leak, we came to know that it will come with the world's first triple camera setup on the back, which will create a new era of smartphone photography. So the expected specs of P20 is, it will come with 5.5 or 5.7 inch Full HD Plus display with new Kirin 970 AI chip inside, along with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, and the camera, which is triple setup of Leica lens, which will give 40 megapixel with 5x hybrid zoom. Secondary camera will be 24 megapixels, packed with 3300 mAh of battery. So the expected specs of P20 Pro is, it will come with the same camera and processor like P20, but the screen will be 6-inch 18:9 panel, packed with 4000 mAh of battery. Both the phone will come with ultra-fast face recognition technology. So hope for the best, and let's see what Huawei can do. Anyways, me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.